Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the document and immediately saving a backup copy so you can revert if needed. Next, switch to Print Layout View because watermarks often sit in headers and hidden layers. This makes them visible and selectable. If the file is protected, remove protection or enable editing now so you can change header/footer elements. Once done, go to the Insert tab to confirm watermark source. Make sure you know whether it was added as a built-in watermark, text box, or background image. You now locate the watermark by double-clicking the header area or choosing Edit Header. This exposes objects anchored to the header/footer layer. Once visible, click the watermark object. It might be a built-in watermark, a text box, word art, or an image set as page background. If objects are hard to select, open the selection pane from the Home or Layout ribbon to identify and select stacked or hidden items. After selection, you can inspect formatting to understand whether it repeats on all sections or just specific pages. You finish by deleting the selected object or using Design Watermark, remove watermark when available. That clears most built-in and custom marks. Make sure to check every section. Unlink headers if sections use different watermarks and repeat deletion in each header/footer. Once done, save a clean copy and preview in Print Layout and Print Preview. If a watermark still appears, it may be embedded in a background image or PDF layer. In that case, replace the background or recreate the page without the embedded image.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.